Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. Tonight we're going to make a quick video. It's been a really long day, so I'm going to make this video short. And to be honest, I don't really think we need to make this video too long. We're going to do an 11-month review on the Last Coat's Black Ice. Now, given the results of the 6-month review durability test, again, I really don't think we need to make this a long video. So really all we're going to do is wash the hood and the driver's side front fender to see if anything is still there after 11 months. Now, the coating originally got applied back in May of 2020. We did our 6-month review, I believe it was October of 2020, and now it's early April of 2021. So that brings us to about 11 months since the coating was first applied. Now, at the 6-month mark, after we did our full wash down and durability test, I did coat it with the Last Coat ceramic sealant and then a coat of AMP, which is their ceramic topper or quick detailer. And then about a month and a half ago, I washed it again using O&R and then topped it again with AMP. So today, we're going to see what we have left. Now, AMP typically only lasts about 3 to 4 weeks, so there really shouldn't be anything left of that on the panels. So what we're going to do today, again, we're going to only wash the hood and the driver's side front fender so that we can see the water behavior on a flat surface and also on a vertical surface. And we're going to keep the conditions the same as we had at the 6th-month mark. We're going to use Geon Bathe, which is a pH neutral soap, won't harm the coating at all. So if there is a coating left on there after 11 months, then we'll see its true water behavior if it is actually still there. Now, bear in mind, this is kind of just testing for the sake of testing. If you check out our 6-month review of Black Ice up here, then you'll know that it was pretty much gone and dead after just 6 months. So after 11 months, I really don't expect much, but we're gonna test it anyway. Let's do it. Okay, so we've got the 2 areas washed. Let's rinse them down and see what kind of water behavior we have after 11 months. So as you could tell from the water behavior, this coating is totally dead. It's exactly what I thought was going to happen. The water behavior was absolutely terrible. It just laid there on the panel. Even on the vertical panel, there wasn't much water evacuation. And on the hood, the water just sat there totally idle. Really not even any water sheeting. But like I said before, given the results at the 6-month mark, really didn't expect anything more. So at this point, the last coat, black ice, I really cannot recommend it. So at this point, the last coat's black ice is rated for about 12 months. And right now we're only at the 11-month mark. And again, just like it was at the 6th-month mark, totally dead, totally non-existent. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you make more of an informed decision on which ceramic coating you're going to put on your vehicle. If you enjoyed the content, please don't hesitate to give us a like down below. And also please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any future auto detailing content. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.